Hey folks, this is Devin Bledsoe down at Heritage Ford, and today I'm going to be showing you the new 2018 EcoSport. It's our new small sport utility. They just started making them this year. Really pretty neat cars. Of course, this one is four-wheel drive. It's equipped with a 2-liter motor. Little hatch here in the back for storing stuff. Alright, we'll take a look at some of the options here on the window sticker. So as you can see, this one is a four-wheel drive. And let's take it around the block. Got your backup camera, rear sensors. Alright. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Even got a sunroof. Alright, here we go. That 2-liter motor's got a lot of pep. Here to the stop sign. Notice I said this is Ford's new small sport utility. It's equipped with the 2-liter motor, the one that we're currently driving. That's paired with the 4-wheel drive system. In the front-wheel drive models, they're going to be equipped with the 1-liter EcoBoost motor. Both motors get good gas mileage. The one that we're driving, you're going to average somewhere around the 25 miles a gallon. 23 city, 29 highway is what it's estimated at. This one, as you can see, has the bigger touch screen. A lot of technology pushed into this little car. Stops really well. Let's give it some gas. Alright. I'll have to slow her down here. Of course, like all other Fords, this one's going to have cruise control. Right here, as you can see, is your Bluetooth connection. You're going to be able to make and place calls without taking your hands off the steering wheel. Now, the four-wheel drive system or all-wheel drive system they put in the Fords is an intelligent all-wheel drive system. So it's not going to have any buttons, or you're not going to have to put it in four-wheel drive. The computer does it all on its own. So it'll be a front-wheel drive vehicle until it senses the front wheel's slipping, and then your rear wheels will engage. So it's nice. You don't have to worry about anything. You just worry about driving, and the car does the rest. Handles really well. Take one more look around it. Again, this has been Devin Bledsoe showing you the 2018 Ford EcoSport. This is an SE four-wheel drive model. Pretty cool little car. Come on out and we'll take a test drive today. See y'all.